Hello guys, my name is Andrew and this is the second video about AI. And in this video, we will try to create a functionality which will help editors to create content, edit content, yeah. So all type of editorial work and improving the speed, the quality, and so on. So let's go back again to a list of models and again write AI. So as you can see, some models already enabled from the previous video. And for today, we will need to install next models. It's AI content suggestions and AI Sika editor integration. So yeah, that will be enough for today. Let's install. And after installation, first we will check Sika editor integration. So let's go to configuration, then to content, to content, text formats and editors, and go to configuration of Sika editor profile. We need to move a new button, AI, to our active buttons in Sika editor, right? Then in AI tools, we need to enable at least one of the tool. So let's enable generated with AI. And as you can see, we have some settings like which model to use for that. So absolutely flexible. You can choose any model here. And also you can add pre-prompt, very useful. Keep jumping. Interesting. Yeah, it's enabled. What else? Maybe summarize. Let's enable. Good. That's enough for now. Let's save those configurations. Yeah, let's save. Good. Now what we need to do, let's go to AI. And yes, and we also need to do some settings for content suggestions. We have also many tools here. You can test by yourself. Let's enable some of them just to see if it works. So let's enable title suggestion, taxonomy tags. I think it's also enough for today down. All other you can test by yourself. Okay, let's save. So we are ready. Let's go to any content which we have right now. I see we have blog. Let's open content, basic vibe, blog post. Yeah, we can try to edit any of them. We have some content. Good. So let's test first our great AI button in Sika editor. So we have two possibilities which we actually enabled. There are much more, so you can enable all of them. And let's imagine we want to continue this text. So for some reason this paragraph not big enough. Let's make it bigger. So please. Sorry. And our text. Generate. And you can see we already have response from UI. And it's finished. Yeah, pretty huge one. So I don't think we need all this. Maybe let's delete like that. And just mark this as new. And here we finished. Good. Save changes. and you can see it's insert, and it will be insert in the place where you put your cursor. So in any place, in any content, and it will place in the correct place. So that's how work that CK editor tool. Now let's check what we have um, for other possibilities with the content, which you can see in the right sidebar. For example, suggestion title. Um, we can select fields which will be sent as a context to AI, from which will be title generated. We have this old title, but let's try to generate a new one. Let's see if it will be better or not, and will we use it or not. Yeah, we have new title. Yeah, you can try to use it if it's not suitable, or you want to limit the context just by content. You can select this and regenerate title again, and now maybe you will have more certain title which you want to use. Yep. So, and suggest taxonomy tags. So the same like it was for title, it will suggest you some text which you can put in the text field. Also, you can use source vocabulary so that it will only suggest you terms which already exist in your vocabulary. Yeah, basically that's it. So that if you will enable all tools for CK editor and all tools for the content suggestions and play with that configure, I think all your editors will be happy to use it, and it's really like a modern way of content creation. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in next video.